Jeff Major with BedWood and Parts. This is Matt Combs, our production manager. Today we're doing an install at a 2020 Jeep Gladiator of our RetroLiner-X, a real wood bed liner for late model trucks. Watch this with us and look forward to doing one for your truck.
First thing we want to do is, notice we got these channels. Channels are what we're going to lay down against the floor. They've got this closed cell foam padding that goes against the bed floor so it won't scratch your bed. You see each one's numbered front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this for this application. And we was, how many is this one?
6 in this one, 8 in the rest of it.
We'll lay these in and then we'll get final position on them once we get it in the truck. This is going to be the last piece we put in. This is our rear trim board. Nobody wants to sit there and look at the end of these boards. So we'll slide this in, then we'll square everything to it, and then secure it through the last holes in our bed strip. You simply just slide it under, and then we'll bolt it in. Okay, now we've got the rear trim board installed, so we're just going to go along. If we need to shift it a little bit before we tighten it up, we're going to do that, and then we're going to go along and tighten everything up. You should be done. After you drive it a little bit, it may move. You just want to wiggle a little bit, just based on your truck and your driving habits. And so you may want to go back and tighten them up one more time just to be sure. If you hear a rattle, anything like that, just go back and check your bolts, and then you're done. Enjoy it. It looks awesome. It's going to give your new truck that classic look. In this case, the 2020 Gladiator has got a really cool bed in the back.